My prediction was correct. LeBron James is a 97 overall in NBA 2K18, and Dwyane Wade is an 84 overall. His player's face says it all. He is not happy with that rating. Let me know what you think of both of them, but we have another screenshot. Dwyane Wade on the all-time Miami Heat lineup. His rating is a 97 on that team, and Shaquille O'Neal at that time on the Heat, his rating is an 89. What do you think of these two ratings? Are they too low? Are they too high? Are they just right? LeBron is a 97. Durant is a 96. Kawhi Leonard is a 95. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Look at this shot clock cheese.
Follow the power lines. There must be a weak point.
I see it. At the buzzer.